It's a tickle? Is that tickle? Yeah, Muffy, you.
You're silly. Does that feel funny?
Go pee pee.
Look at that cheesy smile.
You're
You're a goofball.
You funny.
You gonna have Joy lick your foot again?
Are you concentrating? Yeah? Is something gonna come out?
What are you doing? You sitting here? You're just sitting here. You reading your book? You ready to go night-night? Were you enjoying that? What is that? Huh? What is that? You gonna go for a ride? Whoa! This is how I get my workout for the day. She puts her foot down. Okay, both feet? Okay. Woo! Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Anna. Anna. Look at mommy. Is that fun? Huh? Is that fun? Ready? Is that fun? Woo, yeah. Do another one. Whoa. Pop, pop, pop. Any more? This is what Daddy taught her. Most of them actually popped. Is there any more? What about in this one? Oh, I feel some on this one. Get that one. Step on it. Woo, yeah. Good job.
Lots of barking out there.
Let's go see. Come on, Bear. Oh, maybe it already came up. Who is that? Joy, come here. Are you guys happy? Are you guys happy? Who is that?
Hey.
Is it Dada?
Hi. How are you doing?
Beep beep.
Wanna drive? Where you going, huh? Huh? Beep, 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 beep.
Who is that? Is that your Dada? Boink. Go get him. Go get Dada. Sweep up the floor. Night-night. We're not going night-night yet. It's you. Are you sweeping?
Bear's out of here.
He's going mighty slowly, though. Sweep, sweep. Oh, are you all done? Is it stuck? Oh, jeez, Joy. Oh, spazoid. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Woo!